As CES 2020 comes to a close, it's time to showcase the best of the technology on display at the expo. As always, we got to see some really innovative gadgets that push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. However, you shouldn't ever get too excited about CES launches because quite a few of these will never make it to retail stores, and some of the products might make it to the market in 2021 if at all. With that said, here's our list of the best products showcased at CES 2020. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon so you know when we post a new video. The OnePlus Concept One was hyped a lot by the company, but it was an underwhelming unveil. It has one trick. The rear camera can be hidden completely thanks to color shifting glass used at the back. I expected a bit more thanks to the company's marketing, but it's just a one-trick pony, and since this is a concept phone, OnePlus won't release it commercially. Samsung at CES 2020 launched 4 different smartphones. 2 of them were the Galaxy S10 Lite and Note 10 Lite. In addition to this, the company also expanded its A series lineup with the launch of the Galaxy A51 and the Galaxy A71. Now, the common thing between all these devices is the fact that they employ a similar rear camera module design. The rear camera module design is similar in all of these phones, but the real story is that some of these devices ship with Android 10 out of the box. I can't wait to test these phones and see how good they are. Taking a selfie using a selfie stick is so old school. At CES 2020, we saw AERBOOK, a portable drone for selfies. The drone itself fits in the palm of your hand, is small enough to be carried around in a trouser pocket and weighs just 52 grams, which is less than half the weight of a smartphone. AERBOOK makes capturing selfies really cool, but its battery life is just 6 minutes on a single charge, which dampens the excitement just a little bit. SHURE, which is a popular brand for audiophiles, released 2 new wireless headphones at CES 2020. The Ionic 215 True Wireless earphones, which offer an over-the-ear loop design. The other is the Ionic 50 wireless noise cancelling headphones, which comes with a premium build quality and is designed with comfort in mind. I really want to test these products and see if the audio quality is as good as what SHURE products are known for. Dell at CES 2020 launched 2 new versions of its XPS 13 laptop along with a new Latitude 9510 laptop, which is a 2-in-1 convertible. The XPS 13 is light, compact, has a superb screen-to-body ratio, and it packs great internals as usual. The Latitude 9510 on the other hand is meant for commercial use, but it's also quite light for a 15-inch laptop at 1.45 kilograms. ASUS at CES 2020 announced a bunch of different laptops, but the ROG G14 and TUF Gaming A15 caught my eye. The ROG G14 looks cool thanks to its anime LED light show on the lid. The TUF Gaming A15 has impressive specifications such as a 144Hz display on the 15-inch model. If you ever wished you had your own temporary tattoo maker at home, well, the PRINKER Pro is the device for you as it lets you print any design directly on your skin almost instantly. The company says these tattoos are water resistant for 1 day, but you can still wash them away with soap. As the name suggests, MYFIT lets you have custom ear tips for Apple AirPods. This product is priced at €59, and at that price you might wonder if it is better to upgrade to an AirPods Pro instead of getting these fancy tips. If you already have a pair of AirPods and it doesn't fit your ears very well, this product might work for you. Ever wanted to enjoy authentic cocktails at your home? Well, BARTESIAN claims to make this process easy. The idea behind it is pretty simple. You insert your capsule, Select your strength, and Bartesian combines the appropriate spirit with the flavor mix to produce a perfectly crafted cocktail. One of the coolest gadgets to grace CES 2020 is Samsung's rotating the Sero TV. Sero means vertical in Korean, and so this TV can be connected to your smartphone to mirror the content on the screen. Now whenever you hold your phone in portrait mode, the TV will automatically turn to a vertical orientation. Flip the phone back to landscape mode and the TV will align itself horizontally to let you watch normal videos. Congrats, you can now enjoy watching Instagram stories or TikTok videos on your television. Although the Huawei Mate X was first announced last year, it was on display at CES 2020 and without a doubt this smartphone surely grabs eyeballs. This phone features two displays at 6.6 inch and 6.38 inch when folded. These displays when unfolded turn into an 8-inch OLED full view display without any notch. And it is not just the display, but the phone also packs top of the line hardware and is also one of the first devices to launch as a 5G capable smartphone. Now many of you must be knowing ROYOLE for their FlexPi foldable smartphone. Well, the company took center stage at this year's CES and launched a couple of new foldable gadgets. The most notable is the Mirage smart speaker, which features a 7.8-inch ROYOLE AMOLED flexible touch display wrapping about halfway around the device's cylindrical body. Then the company also launched the ROWrite 2, which is the successor to the company's first smart writing pad that was showcased at CES 2019. Intel and Lenovo showed off the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold, a foldable PC which will be available later this year. Users can unfold it to use it as a large tablet. In addition to this, there was also a new concept device called Horseshoe Bend, which is a 17-inch OLED panel that can be folded into the size of a 12-inch laptop. The device bends like a horseshoe rather than folding flat on top of itself. It remains to be seen whether any company will commercialize such a concept. What's more is that Dell also showed off a slew of concept devices of its own. The company introduced Concept UFO, a portable handheld gaming device that will allow users to play their favorite AAA PC titles. This concept device, which is powered by 10th generation Intel Core processors, looks to be inspired by the Nintendo Switch and features an 8-inch display, comes with detachable controllers and offers a range of different modes. In addition to this, the company also demoed Concept Duet, which features two 13.4-inch touchscreen displays attached to each other using a hinge. And lastly, there was also Concept Ori, which is a foldable device that has a 13-inch screen that folds into a compact form factor that you can easily carry around. Intel at CES 2020 unveiled its compact NUC mini PC with a modular computing unit and the ability to host a desktop-sized graphics card. The upcoming Intel NUC 9 Extreme has a 5-liter chassis, which makes it considerably larger than the usual palm-sized NUC PCs, but is still very portable. While detailed specifications were not announced, the Intel NUC Extreme will be the first model in the series to use an unlocked Core i9 CPU running at up to 5 GHz, and also the first to be able to host a discrete graphics card. Moreover, to power this machine, the NUC 9 Extreme does not even require an external power supply. On the sidelines of CES 2020, Flipkart launched a thin and light laptop called FALKON AERBOOK. This has been unveiled under the company's Mark You by Flipkart label. Some of the key specifications include a 13.3-inch Full HD IPS display, a 37 Wh battery which promises up to 5 hours of battery life, and an 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor coupled with 8GB RAM and 256GB SSD. The company says that the laptop has a dedicated SSD slot as well for expanding the storage by up to 1 TB. The FALKON AERBOOK will be exclusively sold through Flipkart starting January 17th at a starting price of 39,990 rupees. So these were some of the best and coolest in tech that was showcased at CES 2020. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.